Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan nachos that everyone will love, whether they are vegan or not. This recipe is incredibly customizable and perfect for game nights, parties, or a cozy evening in. We will cover everything from making the savory plant-based crumble to a creamy, dreamy cheese sauce from scratch. Get ready to elevate your snack game with layers of incredible flavor and satisfying textures that will impress everyone. Let's begin by gathering our essential ingredients to build the best vegan nachos. You will need a large bag of sturdy tortilla chips, ensuring they can hold up to generous toppings. For our plant-based protein, consider a cup of cooked lentils or a blend of walnuts and mushrooms. The star cheese sauce will require 1 cup of soaked cashews, 1 large potato, and 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast for that signature cheesy flavor. Don't forget your fresh toppings. Now, let's create the savory plant-based meat layer, which is surprisingly simple to make. Begin by sautéing 1/2 cup of diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant. Add your chosen base, like 1 cup of cooked lentils, and stir in 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Pour in 1/4 cup of vegetable broth and a tablespoon of tomato paste. Then simmer for about 5 minutes until the liquid reduces and thickens, creating a flavorful crumble. The star of any nacho dish is the cheese, and our vegan version is incredibly creamy and delicious. First, boil 1 large peeled potato and 1 carrot until they are fork tender, which takes about 15 minutes. Drain them and blend with 1 cup of pre-soaked cashews, 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Incorporate 1/4 cup of unsweetened plant milk, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika until perfectly smooth. This creates a luxurious, gooey sauce. Finally, it's time to assemble and bake your magnificent vegan nachos to crispy, gooey perfection. Spread a single layer of tortilla chips across a large, parchment-lined baking sheet. Generously spoon over your prepared plant-based meat, and then drizzle the creamy vegan cheese sauce liberally over everything. Add your desired toppings, like 1/2 cup of black beans or roasted corn. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes, until the chips are warmed through and the cheese is bubbly. Then finish with fresh toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.